When it comes to relationships, your actions have the power to convey far more than words ever could. Building a connection rooted in love, respect, and devotion begins with how you present yourself and embrace your natural energy. Instead of chasing love or forcing commitment, what if you could inspire devotion effortlessly? In this discussion, we'll dive deep into 7 transformative strategies that allow you to demonstrate your worth without saying a word. These techniques help you harness your feminine energy and create a magnetic bond that draws a man closer without manipulation. Let's begin. Number 1. Do not try to get him to do anything. Trying to get a man to act a certain way often backfires. When a man senses that you're attempting to control or change him, it disrupts the natural polarity in your relationship. Masculine energy thrives on autonomy, respect, and trust. If you push too hard, he may respond in one of 3 ways: by submitting to you and moving into his feminine energy, by resisting and arguing, or by withdrawing entirely. To avoid this, trust him to lead himself. Respect his ability to make decisions and take action on his own terms. This doesn't mean you suppress your needs or desires. It means communicating them through vulnerability and allowing him to step up on his own. By stepping back, you give him the space to act out of his own motivation, which inspires deeper commitment and devotion. Number 2, be willing to walk away. Few things communicate self-worth more clearly than being willing to walk away from a relationship that doesn't meet your needs. This isn't about issuing ultimatums or manipulating a man into compliance. It's about setting boundaries and standing firm in your standards. When you've done the work to embody high-value feminine energy and have communicated your needs in a healthy way, yet he still isn't meeting them, you must be prepared to leave. Walking away shows that you value yourself too much to settle for less than you deserve. It's a powerful message to him and to yourself that you're a queen who requires respect, love, and devotion. If he rises to meet your standards, great. If not, you're making space for a man who will. Walking away also reinforces your worth to other men and strengthens your own belief in your value. It's not about anger or punishment. It's about prioritizing your happiness and maintaining integrity with your desires. Number 3, focus on his positive qualities. It's easy to fall into the habit of focusing on what a man isn't doing or the traits you wish he would change. However, this mindset often creates a negative dynamic and diminishes the connection between you. Constantly pointing out his flaws or shortcomings can inadvertently lower his motivation and push him away. Instead, shift your perspective to his positive qualities. What do you admire about him? What are his strengths? What aspects of him make you feel safe, loved, or inspired? Make a list of these traits and keep it handy. When you focus on what you appreciate about him, it encourages him to embody those qualities more consistently. This practice also reflects positively on you. When you can see the good in him, it shows that you're confident and secure enough to recognize the strengths in others. Over time, this positivity strengthens the bond between you and inspires him to rise to his best self. Number 4, prioritize receiving over giving. Many women fall into the trap of overgiving in relationships, thinking that by doing more, they'll inspire a man's love and commitment. This often manifests as trying to fix his problems, manage his emotions, or even take on a mothering role. Unfortunately, this dynamic pushes you into your masculine energy and can leave him feeling emasculated or overly passive. Instead, embrace your feminine energy by prioritizing receiving. Allow him to lead, provide, and take action. This shift doesn't mean becoming passive or helpless. It means creating space for him to step into his masculine energy and take on the role of protector and provider. When you stop overgiving, you communicate that you trust him to contribute to the relationship. This inspires him to step up and meet your needs in ways that deepen the connection and strengthen the polarity between you. Number 5, listen to him attentively and respectfully. Listening may seem simple, but it's one of the most powerful ways to show a man your worth. When you give a man your full attention, you signal that you value his perspective and respect his leadership. This creates a sense of emotional safety that encourages him to open up and connect more deeply. Practice active listening by maintaining eye contact, refraining from interruptions, and allowing him to share his thoughts fully. Avoid jumping in with solutions or criticisms. Instead, respond with empathy and curiosity. This shows him that you trust his ability to navigate challenges and make decisions, which reinforces his confidence and strengthens the bond between you. If there are areas where he's not meeting your needs, Address them using respectful and open communication. However, the act of listening itself often inspires him to feel closer to you and more motivated to meet your needs. Number 6, express gratitude through your actions. Gratitude is a cornerstone of a healthy, thriving relationship. While verbal expressions of appreciation are important, nonverbal gratitude can have an even greater impact. Your body language, facial expressions, and physical touch can all convey how much you value him. For example, if he does something kind for you, like cooking a meal or helping with a task, show your appreciation through a warm smile, a heartfelt hug, or even playful physical affection. Let your actions reflect how much his efforts mean to you. Gratitude expressed through actions not only strengthens your connection, but also inspires him to continue showing up for you. When he feels appreciated, he's more likely to invest in the relationship and deepen his commitment. Number 7, engage in activities that bring you joy. Happiness is incredibly attractive. When you're engaged in activities that fulfill you and bring you joy, it creates a magnetic energy that draws a man closer. Men are naturally inspired by women who are vibrant, self-sufficient, and passionate about their lives. Pursue hobbies, passions, and self-care practices that make you feel alive and energized. Whether it's dancing, painting, hiking, or spending time with friends, prioritize what makes you happy. This not only enhances your confidence, but also signals to a man that you're a high-value woman who doesn't rely on others for her happiness. When you radiate joy, a man unconsciously associates that happiness with being around you. This inspires him to contribute to your well-being and reinforces his sense of purpose in the relationship. Thank you for joining me on this journey to uncover the secrets of inspiring love and devotion naturally. Relationships are a dance of respect, self-worth, and shared energy. By embracing these strategies, you're not just enhancing your connection with a partner, you're stepping into your power as a confident, radiant individual. Remember, the most meaningful bonds come from authenticity and mutual growth. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into creating fulfilling relationships. Your journey to love and self-discovery begins with you. Until next time, stay radiant and unstoppable.